Are you tired of cost of goods increasing? Everything is increasing around us. Groceries, gasoline, lumber, everything. And the reason why is inflation. Inflation is at its highest since 1982. Inflation rate is currently at 6.8%. So what can you do to combat this? Your employer's not going to save you. What's the average increase in salaries year over year? 5%. So that's not going to help. One of the things that you could do is invest in something that's going to increase with inflation, like real estate. Real estate over the past couple of years across the US has increased at a rate of 15% and higher. Some areas increased at a rate of 20%. So if you want to fight inflation, invest your money in assets that are going to increase with inflation, like real estate.